Hi, grade 5. I'm going to show you a real quick, easy way to fix Google Meet Grid View. So take a look up here at the top. If you see this symbol, this is Google Meet Grid View, the old version. It's not working anymore. We want this one, Google Meet Grid View, but it has 9 squares in it. Okay, so to get rid of this one, I want you to go to these 3 little dots and then open up your settings. After you open up your settings, on the left-hand side of the page, go down to the word extensions, because that's what it is. It's an extension. And then start looking. Oh, there's the 2. This is the good one I'm going to keep with the 9 squares. This is the bad one that I want to remove. So I'm going to remove it. Now, if you don't happen to have this new one, I'm going to show you how to go buy it. So over here on your apps, the colored one, I want you to open up the web store. So if you don't see the one that you want, in the little grid, type Google Meet Grid View. And here it is. This is the one that you want. So over here you have Add to Chrome button. Because I already have it, it won't let me add it again. But if you need it, go and add it here. It's free. You're not doing anything wrong. It's just for the Google Chrome extension, so you are fine. So if you need it, go get it. Get rid of the old one and do it before tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock when we have our whole class meet. We're going to play Kahoot, and it's going to be easier if you can see everybody at once. Okay, have a good day.